In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record depreciation in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable the fixed assets feature. Add an asset with the right details, map the correct accounts, and let Zoho Books handle monthly depreciation automatically. First, open Zoho Books and sign in to your organization. We'll begin by making sure the fixed assets feature is turned on. Head to the Settings area by clicking the gear icon under Setup and Configurations. Choose General. Look for the Fixed Assets option. Check it to enable the module and click Save. This switch activates the fixed asset register in your account so you can track cost, useful life, and depreciation in a structured way. Next, go to the Accountant tab in the left sidebar and select Fixed Assets. This is your asset register, where each long-term item like equipment, vehicles, or furniture gets its own record. Click New Asset to create one. Enter the essential details, the purchase date, the purchase price, the useful life of the asset, and your depreciation method. Straight line is the most common because it spreads the cost evenly over the asset's life. But choose the method that matches your accounting policy. Be careful with dates. The purchase date and start of use determine when depreciation begins, which affects the first month's calculation. If the asset has any residual value you plan to keep at the end of its life, account for that as guided by your policy. Now map your accounts. Set the depreciation expense account, which records the periodic cost of using the asset, and the accumulated depreciation account, which is a contra asset that reduces the asset's book value on the balance sheet. If your chart of accounts already includes these, select them here. Using the right accounts keeps your profit and loss and balance sheet aligned and audit ready. When you've reviewed everything, click Mark as active to put the asset into service. From this point, Zoho Books will automatically generate monthly depreciation journal entries based on the method, useful life, and amounts you entered. The system posts these entries on schedule, updating your depreciation expense and accumulated depreciation so your financial statements stay current without manual calculations. If anything looks off later, such as an incorrect useful life, edit the asset details to correct the forward-looking depreciation. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.